There wasn't much in the way of rain on Thursday. Better chance of showers and thunderstorms on Friday. Very muggy day. High temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. The thunderstorm threat lasting into Friday night. Saturday, though, after some early clouds, afternoon sunshine, a warm day and turning less humid. Beautiful weekend overall. About 85 Saturday, close to 80 on Sunday. Low humidity. Monday looking nice as well. Mostly sunny skies. Cold front comes through on Tuesday. With that will come the chance of showers and thunderstorms once again, and then some delightfully dry weather in the forecast for the middle to latter part of next week.